AI is moving fast, faster than most of us ever thought possible. According to Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, we could be seeing AI superintelligence in as little as a decade. But what exactly does that mean for the world? And should we be excited or worried? First off, let's break down what AI superintelligence is. Essentially, it's when an AI surpasses human intelligence in pretty much every way. Imagine an AI that can process information faster, learn quicker, and solve problems more effectively than any human on Earth. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Altman believes that once we hit this level of superintelligence, it will change everything, from how we live to how we work, and even how we solve some of humanity's biggest challenges like climate change and healthcare. But with great power comes great responsibility, and Altman is fully aware of the risks that come with creating an AI that's smarter than all of us combined. One of the biggest concerns? Control. If AI becomes too advanced, how do we make sure it doesn't act against human interests? That's why OpenAI is heavily focused on making sure AI evolves in a safe and ethical way. Altman suggests creating global standards for AI governance and making sure that the development of these technologies is transparent. The timeline? Altman predicts that superintelligent AI could be here within 10 years. That's right. Just a decade from now, we might be living in a world where machines are smarter than humans. Is that exciting? Absolutely. But it also raises some huge questions about safety, ethics, and what it means for the future of humanity. Cyber AI Pros is here to help you stay informed about the ever-changing world of AI and what it means for your business. Want to know more about how AI could change your industry? Subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.